Curious about someone's old Instagram username? It's actually super easy to find. Here's how you can do it in just a few quick steps. But firstly, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to see someone's username change history on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Simple enough, right? Tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of your screen to enter Explore. Search for the user you want to check out. Found them? Great. Tap on their profile picture to open up their page. See those three dots in the top right corner of your screen? Hit that, and more options will pop up. Scroll through the option and tap on the About This account. This is where all the interesting details are. Under the former username, you will see a list of usernames they have used in the past. Fun, right? Now you can check out old usernames all with a few steps. Who knew it was that simple? So this is how to see someone's username change history on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.